Think of your video as magnets. The algorithm doesn't blast them out, it pulls them towards viewers who can't resist. Let me explain. Now this is how most new YouTubers think the YouTube algorithm works. You make a video and publish it on your YouTube channel. Now let's say you're part of our community and you've just finished the 90-day challenge and got your first 1,000 subscribers like Des. If you publish a video, you think the YouTube algorithm is going to take that video and push it out to your 1,000 subscribers. And then it's going to look and see, do people click on it? Do they like your thumbnail and title? Are they intrigued by your video? Does your hook actually work? And do they watch your video all the way to the end and then watch another video? Do they actually enjoy your video? If you think the YouTube algorithm takes all of this data in and then decides if it's a good video, it's going to push your video out to another 10,000 people. And then what is it going to do? It's going to see how many people click and how many people watch and how many people like your video, how many people comment on your video, and how many people subscribe out of those new viewers. If your video does well, then it's going to push your video out to 100,000 people. And then if that video does well with those new 100,000 people, the broader market, what is it going to do? It's going to push your video out to 1 million people and your video is going to blow up and go viral. This is the mistake that new YouTubers make. They think this is how the YouTube algorithm works. It's going to push my video out to all these people. No. That is not how the YouTube algorithm works in 2025. And with all the updates that YouTube is making to the YouTube algorithm, there's a new way that you need to think about things and understand how the algorithm works so that you can get more views on your videos. Think of your video more like a magnet that is getting pulled towards viewers. So I'm sure you're thinking, how can I make this new YouTube algorithm work for me? We're going to get to that, but first let me explain how the magnet works and how your videos get pulled towards your viewers. The YouTube algorithm is viewer-centric. It is purely focused on the viewer and what the viewer wants to watch. And what the algorithm does is it pulls tailored videos for the specific viewer. To simplify it, the algorithm is thinking, what is the best video I can serve for this viewer that they want to watch right now on YouTube? So what does this all mean? To illustrate this, let me tell you a story. Imagine you walked into a busy market, and as you walked into the market, someone came running to you saying, hey, buy this new iPhone. As this guy comes running towards you, someone comes from your left-hand side and says, I've got these new Bluetooth earphones. Why don't you buy these? And then another person comes running from your right-hand side and says, I've got a Logitech mouse, come and buy this from me. And as all of this is happening, someone comes running from the back with a pack of 30 eggs and jumps over everyone and drops all the eggs and they crack all over your brand new t-shirt. Not the best user experience, and I'm definitely not going back to that market. Now imagine a new situation. You're sitting on your couch at home, super comfortable. You got the TV on in the background, watching some Carl Bro YouTube videos, and you want to do some shopping. So what do? You pull out your phone in the comfort of your own home, chilling on the couch, and you start browsing Amazon. And no one's putting pressure on you to buy anything. You can compare products, you can search, you can read reviews to see how good the product is. They've got product comparisons for you on the website, but there's no pressure. You get to choose what to look at. You can take as long as you want. And there's no one shouting over the back of your shoulder. There are no irritating shop assistants continue asking you if you need any help. You can take your time, no pressure. You can look at what you want for however long you want. And then you can make your buying decisions, add it to your cart, whatever you want to buy, without any pressure. And it gets delivered the next day. What a great experience, because you get to pull the products that you like. Just like the new YouTube algorithm works as if your videos are magnets, pulling the right videos for you so that you as the viewer has the best experience on the platform. So as creators, how do we approach this new YouTube algorithm and how do we use it to our advantage? Well, there's one secret that you really need to understand to break through and use this new YouTube algorithm so that you can get more views on your YouTube channel and grow your channel to 1,000 subscribers just like Des did. And if you want to understand the secret and how you can use it to grow your YouTube channel, then watch this video right here. If you need help and support growing your YouTube channel, then come and join our community for new YouTubers. I'll leave a link for you just below the like button.